Good morning. It's a beautiful day here at the Otter Lake. Today we're gonna try and hit as many waterfalls as we can.
We're chasing waterfalls.
Here we go. Number one. We basically went down a ATV trail in the car for how many miles?
Like 5.
Yeah, probably about 5 miles. I hope this is a great waterfall. And for our second one, I don't know. It better be amazing.
Number 2, Rock River.
Number 3. That's a little.
Is that a headstone?
Yeah.
What?
Waterfall number 4. You running under it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Waterfall number 5. Doesn't it kind of look like the same as last one? I guess that's why they call it Twin Falls.
Number 6.
Number 7. We had to stop for lunch break. We got Subway. Alright, we're not going to number 8, but this is number 8. It's kind of on the side of the road. Going to the last waterfall now.
Number 9.
9 waterfalls in one day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it. This is number 9. We're gonna go back to the camp now, shower up, and
Have an awesome night. Bye, cousins.
bye. Love you.